Today, we're diving into the essentials of basic obedience training for puppies. Whether you're a new puppy parent or looking to refresh your training skills, this video is for you. Training your puppy is not just about teaching commands. It's about building a strong bond and ensuring your furry friend grows into a well-behaved adult dog. Let's get started with some fundamental tips. Tip number 1. Start early. Begin training your puppy as soon as they come home. Ideally around 8 weeks old. Puppies are like sponges at this age, ready to absorb new information. Tip number 2. Keep training sessions short and fun. Puppies have short attention spans, so aim for 5-10 minute sessions. Make it a game with lots of praise and treats. Tip number 3. Use positive reinforcement. Reward your puppy with treats, toys, or affection when they follow a command. This encourages them to repeat the good behavior. Now, let's move on to some basic commands every puppy should learn. First up, sit. Hold a treat close to your puppy's nose, then move your hand up, allowing their head to follow the treat and their bottom to lower. Once they're in a sitting position, say, sit, and give them the treat. Repeat these steps a few times a day, and your puppy will be sitting on command in no time. Next, stay. Ask your puppy to sit, then open your palm in front of them and say, stay. Take a few steps back. If they stay, reward them with a treat. Gradually increase the distance and duration. Patience is key here. Next, come. Put a leash on your puppy and gently pull them towards you while saying, come. When they reach you, reward them with a treat and lots of praise. This command is crucial for their safety. Next, down. Hold a treat in your hand and move it to the ground. When your puppy follows and lies down, say, down, and give them the treat. This helps in calming them down. Next, leave it. Show your puppy a treat in your hand, then close your fist around it. When they stop trying to get it and look away, say, it, and give them a different treat. This command is great for preventing unwanted chewing. Next, drop it. When your puppy has something in their mouth, offer them a treat. When they drop the item to take the treat, say, drop it, and reward them. This is useful for retrieving items safely. Next, heel. Walk with your puppy on a leash, keeping them close to your side. Say, heel, and reward them for staying by your side. This makes walks more enjoyable. Next, wait. Use this command at doorways or before crossing the street. Ask your puppy to sit, then say, wait, and only proceed when you give the release command. This ensures their safety. Next, off. Use this command to get your puppy off furniture or to stop jumping on people. Say, off, and gently guide them down, then reward them. This helps in maintaining boundaries. Just before your dog touches your hand, say, high five, and then reward them when they do it. Keep practicing this until your dog starts to associate the command with the action. To make it a real high five, start raising your hand a little higher each time. Your dog will have to reach up to touch it. Consistency is key in reinforcing this command. And there you have it. 10 basic obedience commands for your puppy. Remember, training should be a positive experience for both you and your furry friend. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy training!